Let's clean up this lawnmower after a really dusty, dirty job. This lawnmower is pretty old and uneven, so this front tire was lifted up so I could spin it with the pressure washer. Don't really know why I did it, but it was entertaining. After filling up the exhaust with water for absolutely no reason, let's see if it starts. Now that we know it runs, let's get back to work. This is a before and after of how dirty the carburetor was. After cleaning it up, let's make sure it runs like new. Literally right after filming that, a thunderstorm rolled in. Unfortunately, you can't hear the thunder, but it sounded really cool. Thanks for watching.